So, hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about extradition. And as you guys know, Jamaica and the US has a partnership that the US is allowed to come into Jamaica and extradite scammers, people that they say are terrorists, and all of that. But one thing that has been a very big issue with the Jamaican government and the US government is that they don't allow extradition from the US to Jamaica. I guess because the US is a first world country and Jamaica is a third world country, they feel like they can bully Jamaica. I don't know what the backstory is with that, but renewed calls have been going out for Jamaica to be able to extradite Jamaicans that are living overseas that are pushing criminal activities in Jamaica. And I think that it's only fair. So the article says government Senator Carencia Morris has renewed her call for the extradition of individuals overseas who are supplying guns and other resources to local criminals. She is calling for members of the Jamaican diaspora to partner with local law enforcement to bring these perpetrators to justice. She made the call last Friday as she opened the State of Nations debate in the Senate. She had previously pleaded with Jamaicans living overseas to not send murder in a barrel back home against the background of a number of illegal gun shipments from overseas. One thing I have to say also is that a lot of these politicians, when they talk about certain stuff and what they want to be done, they seem to forget that corruption stems from the highest of the high in Jamaica. That's including people in the government. And I think last year when 117 guns were found in Montego Bay Wharf, it was linked to a Montego Bay politician. So when your renewed calls for people overseas to be extradited to the US, know that a lot of these people that are going to be extradited are going to be your associates or friends of your associates or children of your associates and all of that. They always seem to forget that part. But I'm all here for it. I'm in full support for people to be extradited from the US to Jamaica to get prosecuted, because too many guns are being sent to Jamaica on a yearly basis, and we are killing our brothers and sisters like it's nothing. We're killing them like it's just for fun. We're killing people like we are play hopscotch, eeny, meeny, miny, moe, or something. I don't know what to say, and it needs to stop. So I'm in full agreement with this senator that they need to be extradited. So comment in the comment section and tell me what your thoughts are. Do you think that Jamaican residents living overseas that are pushing criminal activities like sending guns to Jamaica need to be extradited to Jamaica to serve their sentences or to be prosecuted? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.